This video will discuss some of the new features that have been added to VisualFoundation 13. Let's get started. Significant improvements have been made to punching shear design in VisualFoundation 13. The new version of the program more accurately determines the depth of the reinforcement for punching shear checks by accounting for the direction of the punching force, in addition to accounting for the rebar size and orientation. It also utilizes the correct value for D depending on whether the optimized or the specified design approach is used in the program. VisualFoundation 13 features improved accuracy in calculating punching shear demand and now allows all components of the punching free body diagram to be reported. Additionally, the graphics for the punching shear boundary have been enhanced, and the user interface remains responsive while punching shear design is being performed. For more information on punching shear, please see the punching shear design training video. Significant improvements have also been made to group punching shear design in VisualFoundation 13. Critical sections for group punching shear are now calculated with greater precision, ensuring more accurate design results. Walls can now be included in punching shear groups, and the interaction between punching shear groups and grade beams have been improved. Additionally, a new option allows for checking the punching of subgroups within a punching shear group, which may control the design. For more information, see the group punching shear design training video. In VisualFoundation 13, numerous improvements have been made related to bearing pressure analysis and design. The latest update includes enhanced design check performance and graphics performance, resulting in faster evaluations and improved visual quality. A wind and seismic soil bearing increase factor has been introduced to allow for increased soil bearing capacity when demands arise from wind or seismic sources. By default, this factor provides a 1/3 increase, but the user can set the value to something different or to 1.0 if no increase is desired. Additionally, a bearing pressure summary result table has been added along with a soil bearing capacity by slab design table. Improvements have also been made to the existing soil bearing capacity design table. In VisualFoundation 13, foundation slabs can now be designed according to the ACI 350-20 or the ACI 350-6 design specifications. This gives you the option to design environmental engineering concrete structures in VisualFoundation. For more specific information, see the ACI 350 design training video. For certain foundation systems, the ACI 318-19 design specification permits you to neglect the size effect factor. Therefore, in VisualFoundation 13, the neglect size effect factor parameter has been introduced, which sets lambda s equal to 1 for the design when the option is checked. Steel piles in VisualFoundation can now be designed according to the AISC 360-22 LRFD and ASD design specification. In VisualFoundation 13, column piers can now be designed with a reduced amount of minimum longitudinal reinforcement. ACI 318 effectively allows for the reduction of the minimum area of longitudinal reinforcement from 1% to 0.5% when the column section is larger than required for design. To account for this, the area reduction factor has been added to VisualFoundation 13. Setting the factor to a value less than 1 causes VisualFoundation to design the column pier with a smaller effective cross-section. Note, the area reduction factor is only available for ACI design specifications. The CSA design specification also allows for the reduction of the minimum longitudinal reinforcement, but accomplishes this differently, which VisualFoundation 13 now accounts for automatically. The IBC 2024 ASD and LRFD load combinations have been added to the program. Also, the NBC 2020 load combinations for strength design have been added. Simply select the appropriate building code in the Load Case Manager to automatically generate the corresponding load combinations. A variety of new script commands have been added to VisualFoundation 13 based primarily on customer requests. You can now set the project criteria, delete loads, generate custom load combinations, extract results on a per slab basis, define pile geotechnical capacity, specify pier and pile reinforcement for both rectangular or round patterns, set the visible result case, add graphics to the report, etc. A full list of the script commands can be found in the commands page of the help file. To see the new commands in use, see the VF13 New Script Commands training video. In addition to adding new features to VisualFoundation 13, other minor changes and fixes have been made along with improvements to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope the new features in VisualFoundation 13 increases your productivity in the program. Thanks for watching and have a great day.